Pang welcome Angie ni coach. Pang welcome back.
Okay, so.
Okay!
Woo,
What you
Angie.
gonna do, okay?
Ang cute yung sapatos niya.
All around.
Yeah, love it!
Yes, Angie. Go, Angie.
Ano ba to?
Good.
Tutong.
Ano English na?
Alam ko na yan.
Burn.
No. May tawag sila eh. Tutong. May tawag sila yung
Burning. Overboard.
overboard!
Black rice.
Si Angie.
Ouch.
Angie.
What's the English?
Go Angie!
Oh, the rice is like it's like already, you cook it, but it's like already dark. It's a dark.
Under.
Brown rice?
No.
No, when you cook like basically in the Philippines, we cook using the kitchen. Not stove. Yeah, so the burn rice under.
Oh, crust?
Crust?
Rice crust?
Oh, crust. Oh,
Yeah.
crust. That's why we keep asking on that.
It's a crust.
Ah, rice crust.
Rice crust.
Crust?
Because before in the Philippines, our teacher give us always
What's
ang
the
English
English?
Ang tutong na sa kanin sila.
What do they call it?
We don't know
Crust?
actually.
I don't know what they call it. Rust? What?
Rusty?
Crust? Crunch, it's crunchy,
Rust,
right?
ano
Crunchy.
yan? Alam ba?
Kalawang.
Crust daw. Yes, I get crust.
Crust.
Yung sa pinakababa niya. Oo, pinakababa.
You look at his Angie, she's going.
Yes.
going.
Go, Angie! Oh, tumakbo. Pang
Look at your face.
coach, you see how humble the Pinay tribe is?
Mukha ni Coach. yung tingnan mo yung pagbula niya. Oo. Then Coach, tell her to push up. How many time we push up when catching the ball? Ay, si Maria na lang natin. I-convert natin kay Maria na push
Oo.
up. Nakailang push up ka Maria
Ang dami.
kanina? Sa
Hindi
bola.
ko na mabilang sa dami.
Sabi
Pinakamarami.
yung push up ni
15.
Grabe kayo.
Coach is very proud of you, Andre.
Proud.
Good listener talaga ang mga Pinay tribe.
Proud. Dala kanina. Aray ko.
Tapos pagdating mo sabay-sabay.
Ay, sorry.
Sige, sa club tayo. Success.
Ano na, let's go na. I'm happy.
Dali, andito pa siya.
Andre, quick daw! 3 minutes!
Maliligo pa ako.
Huwag nang maligo, hindi lang ako maliligo. Wala nang maliligo sa atin.
Let's go.
I won't take a bath.
15! 14!
Pero di ako nakaka-proud. Tangina pagdating ng 4 o'clock talaga ipon ko.
Oo.
Si Marian kasi nakatingin sabi, ano oras na rin?
Kaya nga.
Expect talaga siyang susobra si Ruby. Sabi ko, tangina, 4 o'clock na 3 o'clock talaga.
Yay! Go, Angie! Good job! Congratulations!
Another push-up! 15 minutes!
Good job, Billy. Good job.
Maliit na bagay.
Ay,
Kulang pa
Ay!
Gosh, what Daddy said? It's a little things. Just a small thing. Oh, easy. 15 push-up. 15 push-up.
Good.
It's good. You do
Sumasobra na kayo ah.
Sobra kayo sa akin.
Ano namin maliit na bagay? Sabi mo, di ba? Wag, mamaya amoy araw na ako. May kikitain ko. Ay, walang araw! Amoy pawit.